Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the free trial on the One Password website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the website of the One Password. So let's cut this and we have to write the One Password and we have to write the name of the website here, One Password. So let's write that and then we have to press the enter and let's click on this. So as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to go to the pricing option. So let's click on the pricing option. We need to go to the pricing. Let's click on the pricing. So as you can see in the pricing section, you will be able to see this try free for 14 days. You have to choose the package, that which package you want to use, which package you want to buy, and then you have to create your account. And after creating your account, your trial period will be automatically started for the 14 days. If you want to track your trial period, you can also do that. Simply you have to go to your account, and after going to your account, as you can see, your trial ends in 14 days. You will be able to track your trial period here. If you want to update this and if you want to add payment details, you can also do that on this option. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can get the free trial on the One Password website. So see you guys in the next video.